why the universe is leaking into another dimension. What if our universe is not sealed? What if reality has hidden cracks, places where gravity, energy, or even matter could escape into something beyond space itself? Scientists have long wondered why gravity is so strangely weak compared to the other forces. One disturbing possibility is that gravity isn't weak at all. Maybe part of it is leaking into dimensions we can't see. Welcome to Cosmic Unknowns. Today, we're exploring the terrifying idea that our universe may be only one layer of reality, and something from our cosmos may be slipping into another dimension. 1. A crack in reality. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the universe isn't sealed. Everything you know, every star, every galaxy, every atom in your body exists inside a cosmic container. Now imagine that container has tiny cracks in it, invisible openings through which energy, matter, or even gravity can escape into somewhere else. It sounds like science fiction, yet some physicists have seriously explored ideas that suggest our universe may not be completely isolated. According to certain theories, reality could be interacting with dimensions beyond our own. And if that's true, the universe might not be as self-contained as it appears. 2. The problem with gravity. The story begins with a mystery that has puzzled physicists for decades. Gravity is incredibly weak compared to the other fundamental forces of nature. A simple refrigerator magnet can overcome the gravitational pull of the entire Earth on a small paper clip. This seems strange because gravity controls the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies. Why would such an important force be so weak? Some scientists proposed a radical explanation. What if gravity isn't actually weak? What if part of it is leaking into dimensions we cannot see? 3. The hidden dimensions theory. Most people think the universe has 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time: length, width, height, and time. But certain theories in physics suggest there may be additional dimensions hidden from our perception. These dimensions might be curled up so tightly that we cannot detect them directly. Others may exist alongside our own reality, like invisible layers. According to some models, our entire universe could be a 3-dimensional brain floating within a higher dimensional space. If that's true, then reality may be much larger than the universe we observe. 4. The universe as a cosmic island. Imagine living on a small island and believing it's the entire world. Then one day, you discover an ocean stretching beyond the horizon. Some physicists think our universe may be like that island. Everything we see, from galaxies to black holes, could exist on a single cosmic surface embedded within a much larger reality. In this scenario, other universes might exist nearby, separated from us by dimensions we cannot normally access. We wouldn't see them, we wouldn't interact with them directly, yet they could still influence our universe in subtle ways. 5. The strange case of missing energy. One reason scientists became interested in extra dimensions involves energy. Certain particle physics experiments occasionally produce results that appear to involve missing energy. In some cases, particles collide, and the final energy doesn't seem to add up perfectly. Usually there are ordinary explanations. However, theoretical physicists wondered whether tiny amounts of energy could be escaping into higher dimensions. Imagine throwing a ball against a wall and watching part of it vanish through an invisible hole. That's the kind of phenomenon these theories attempt to describe. 6. Could dark matter be coming from another dimension? Dark matter, is one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. It appears to outweigh normal matter throughout the universe, yet nobody knows what it's made of. Some researchers have proposed an extraordinary possibility. What if dark matter isn't entirely located within our universe? What if some of its effects result from matter existing in nearby dimensions? While this idea remains highly speculative, it highlights how interconnected these mysteries may be. The more scientists investigate reality, the more they encounter phenomena that challenge conventional explanations. 7. The collision that could change everything. One of the most fascinating ideas comes from Brane cosmology. According to this theory, our universe may exist on a giant membrane floating within a higher dimensional space. If another universe exists nearby, then under certain circumstances the two could interact. Some models even suggest the Big Bang itself may have resulted from a collision between higher dimensional structures. Imagine two enormous cosmic sheets crashing into one another, releasing unimaginable amounts of energy. The result could resemble the birth of an entire universe. 8. The signals we can't explain. Astronomers occasionally detect phenomena that challenge existing theories. Strange patterns in cosmic radiation, unusual galactic behavior, unexpected gravitational effects. Most eventually receive conventional explanations, but every unexplained observation sparks new possibilities. Could some anomalies represent interactions with higher dimensions? Most scientists remain cautious. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, yet the fact that serious physicists continue exploring these ideas demonstrates how much remains unknown about reality itself. 9. What if the leak became larger? Now we arrive at the truly unsettling part. If the universe is capable of interacting with higher dimensions, what would happen if those interactions changed? Could more energy begin escaping? Could new forms of matter enter our universe? Most theories suggest any such effects would be incredibly small and harmless. However, the thought experiment itself is fascinating. It forces us to consider a reality far larger than the observable cosmos. A reality where our universe is merely one region within something vastly greater. 10. The most humbling possibility, perhaps the most profound implication of these theories, isn't that the universe is leaking. It's that our understanding of existence may be incomplete. Throughout history, humanity repeatedly discovered that reality was larger than expected. We thought Earth was the center of everything. It wasn't. We thought our galaxy contained the entire universe. It didn't. Now, some theories suggest even the observable universe may be just one part of a much larger structure. If this mystery made reality feel less stable, like this video, subscribe to Cosmic Unknowns and stay with us, because the next cosmic mystery may take us even deeper. In the universe, sometimes the scariest thing isn't what exists around us, it's what may exist beyond us. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more content like this.